ever peacetime order for fighters 210 P-36As. The P-36As were an important part of the defensive force in Hawaii at the time of Pearl Harbor attack in December 1941. By then, they were widely seen as being out of date due to the incredibly fast pace of change in early fighter aircraft design. As a result, Curtis set to work on a new fighter, the P-40. The Lightning was ideal as both a gunnery platform and photo reconnaissance airship because everything could be consolidated in the nose. With the counter-rotating propellers and no torque, centrally concentrated firepower, the twin-engine, safety, hydraulically boosted ailerons and range, P-38 was America's first truly modern military aircraft.
I'll have some water. Mm-hmm.